Yeah, I think this should be fine. Should be. Should be fine now. Let me test it. Yeah. What do you mean we're offline? I don't get it. I don't understand, bro. You know what? Let's go. 720 madness. Yeah. I don't know what's going on, bro. It should be fine now. Yeah, yeah, we're on the charts, bro. So we don't have nothing much, bro. If you start from Asia, let's see what's going on. It's daily open, so that's the low right there. So we broke out of Asia high right here. This is on the M1 by the way, so M1 BOS above, breakout, maybe early buyers right here, smart money trap. Inducement. Didn't let anything significant, but then we run this low, making another inducement. That led to the actual high being taken out. So yeah, safe to say buyers have been in control. We broke this high. And yeah, we've been bullish. Medium inducement. We have higher low, led to higher high. Yeah, so we have this demand zone coming up. Pretty much this is the decision on demand. Yeah, we'll see how it goes in it. We didn't mitigate the zone for if we use the standard candle, it's safe to say that we did. This is the standard one. So with that being said, we've just mitigated the demand. Yeah. Now, if we were to continue bullish, price would have to break this high and to go on to go on to create new highs in it. So we'll see how that goes. But thing is, bro, for me to enter one of these trades, I need to see a medium inducement. Like we've got a medium inducement, but it's in the another direction. So like even if this would be like a continuation trade. Yeah, but there's no point, bro. Literally no point in taking it. On GU, we have the opposite. So GU swept Asia low. So ever mind an inducement, Asia low being taken out. After that inducement, we got an early reaction. We had the change right here. I know buyers would have entered. So M1 change, we got them liquidated, like the candle. And this is the inducement that led to the bullish reaction. So this is the daily low, currently low of the day. And then after that, we then have lower, 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 high, lower, low. We then have another shift right here. It's safe to say that this is where we had the shift. Yeah, because we closed above, so I have to make sure this is precise as well, bro. I don't want to be fooling myself. There we go. Yeah, he closed above, so that's fine. So this was a trade. What time is it? It's at 3:50 a.m. around 9 in London. Almost 10 M1 demand being respected. And yeah, that could have been a trade as well. But of course, I'm not up at that time. So this is definitely gonna be the move of the day. This is literally the move of the day, bro. Hypothetically, I would have entered it like 4 pips or plus. And we ran to what? We ran to a 1 to 11. Simple. It's crazy, bro, but it's not that easy in real time, of course, because then you have a lot of discretion and everything. So, yeah, man. But we're just watching still, we're just reading price action, bro. So on GU, we failed to break above. We then made a M1 change of character right there. So the zone which is going to invalidate the pullback would be right here. Yeah, so if price holds here, then the efficiency of the pullback is invalidated and we can't sell because technically speaking, remember if you're bullish, this can also be a minor inducement, tapping into a mitigation, and then price can just say we do this, price can now go bullish and create the new high. And then we can actually break out and create what we want to see. But we'll have to wait. You get me? So if we tap this zone and move, I can't sell from this supply because then this would be a weak supply. But we wait and see how it goes. We'll wait and see. All I know is that we have a change. We haven't respected the zone as yet. Price is not pulling back. This is our fib. For me to sell, I'd want to see price come above the 50% of this area. So 50% right here, anywhere above here would be my golden area to sell, but we have to wait. So one has created highs, high, and then now looking at EU, we actually made a shift. But to confirm, we have to go on the M3. Yeah, it's not a valid one because on the M3 there's nothing. It's not valid. Yeah, it's not valid. Yeah, it's not valid, bro. So this is the change of character era. If we broke here, unless we move on, create a new link. And nothing much going on, bro. Just checking my discords. Looking to sell on GU. Nothing much. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah, bro, it's just about playing the waiting game at this point. Really nothing much, bro. I definitely think that's the move of the day, though. Like for GU, bro. You get me? Or is it GU? Yeah, I think it's GU. Yeah, man. This is my Zilla. This is my trade Zilla, bro. I'm down $120 on the pop firm. I took 37 trades. Win rate is 27%. I won 10 and I lost 27. But yeah, we're getting there though. You know, I do have some refinements to do, but for now we're fine. Made an inducement. This supply is not real. This is a smart money trap or should be classified as one based off the way my mentor trades. Cause on the M3 time frame, there is no there's no candle. So we can't take that. And then this now, we do have a minor inducement, bro. Price is coming back, but can we sell? The fact that we don't have a minor inducement, it's yeah, we run below, bro. On the M15, we run this high, but this is internal because this didn't lead to anything. It led to this high, but it's just internal structure. Look at this. And this is we have a high, low. This is the medium inducement. Yeah, I think I knew why I didn't take this because I was looking at that one there. I think that's the reason. Because we now looking at yesterday price action, we did induce we induced the decision or during London. Yeah, bro, like this is it. That's the inducement right there. And then New York. But we still wouldn't have entered, realistically speaking, because it didn't come all the way down to the demand. Then on M15, on this pair, this was okay. This was the one I was looking at. There was no inducement right there, so I wanted to see that low being swept. Yeah, man, I think we just played the waiting game, but there's nothing going on, bro. Dead. Was the ring so far? No. We have a lot of imbalance, man. Loads of imbalance, bro. Imagine being in this trade from when? This was like last week, innit? Being in this would be this would be like a week, literally a week. Today's Wednesday. Literally a week, bro. Even if I took this on a swing position, where'd my stop loss be? Yeah, bro, this is way too much. Maybe like there, my TP would have hit 1 to 2 today, but 1 to 3 would be all the way up here, bro. It's mental. That's like another 2 days. That's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, man, we have this right here to target the supply. So can we can actually buy into it, honestly. We can buy into the supply. Well, it will be a minor inducement, long right here, stop loss be below here for like 5, 6. Yeah, 5 is good. Yeah, 5 is okay. And then we target the supply. How much would this be? Like a 1 to 50. Okay, so that's a 1 to 10.7, 1 to 11, 1 to 11, bro. It's crazy. It's not impossible, but I don't know. This looks more realistic, or more acceptable. Money inducement into mitigation. 1 to 3, even back up into the premium. We can't ask more if the supply will hold because it's not just the M1 supply, it's also the M15 that filled. See, so now, see, we broke this. As expected, we made the inducement. This is a smart money chop right there. We already, we already identified that it's not a valid change. Supply got taken out. Yeah, but only thing we have is that supply right there. So the best bet is just to buy into these supply zones. We open right here, we run below, run that low, created the low of the day. We made a push out. Now we are bullish. This can be a smart money trap, can it? So we have a higher high, higher low. This failure to create new high high might be a potential reversal, but also can see it as a break test to then get a bullish reaction. I mean, internally, this would be a nice demand to go from, but I don't know what's gonna happen, bro. Alright, so we don't know what's gonna happen. See what's going on in the discords. Yeah, fears. Mad. I definitely think this is the move of the day, bro. Not this one. Even this. Inducement, change, mitigation, and flies. When winning this L break, have a test, getting a bullish reaction from there. He broke out. Bro, I'm really eyeing this zone. Really, really eyeing this zone, bro. Even looking at this zone, bro, like EU is on the fly. Yeah, EU is gone. EU is gone, bro. Like, literally. It was made of the decision now. I think the banks will just make like a liquidity run right here. Respect that low and then just go higher. Yeah, like inducement coming into the zone, possibly coming into the zone, bro. We're just close to the supply zone. Which is better for me to do? Should I wait on the supply and then look for confirmation, or Should I buy into the supply? This is the thing. You get me? Because I don't know what I'm gonna do. Looking at trades, bro. My report. Don't even have a streak, honestly. Start by 655, 9%. Performance overview reports. Investment in August minus 20. Lowest month in June, $79. 27 trades, loss 10, 1. Max consecutive losses 6 trades. So I can lose up to 6 trades in a row. We have a break, we have a test. Get an investment into this decision on and you can go. This is a supply to demand. Something. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the stream at 8. Just bare rain, bro. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it right here, honestly, because nothing going on. We have a medium inducement, but I can't take the trade. Otherwise, I'll be breaking my plan live on camera. What this dumb silly trader. So yeah, bro, we have to respect it. You get me? And yeah, so Medium inducement. See price even running up, bro. So we might even get a trade. But this zone is not, this is not sufficient, bro. You know, yes, it's on the M15, it led to a low, but at the same time, there's so many more supplies. We have a higher time frame supply above H4 supply, bro. That's just liquidity to target. You get me? Look at now, this one is going up. So both of them going up. We might then get the inducement on GU. Oh yeah, bro, we just have to watch. And even on GU, bro, there's no zone. Like, there's the only zone is all the way up there, bro. You get me? So there's like no area for me to, I'm not gonna force a sell if it's not there. You know, especially like the high time frame, we are bullish. You know, we are bullish, bro. We made a change right there and we're bullish. See, we're pushing up, bro. The daily candle should be even expanding. Yeah, it's just at this point, it's just spice, bro. Literally. It's just spice, honestly. I don't even know who's in the chat, bro. Two viewers. Who the hell is that? Yeah, for those of you watching, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, man's leaving in a bit. Like, no trades taken. We got like two opportunities, but I can't execute on them. Is what it is, you know, like this is literally the trade, bro. So even if I entered, yeah, my stop loss would have been like 10 pips, realistically speaking. This is a decisional, so probably be like a 1 to 2 by now. You see? 1 to 2. It's not it's not too shabby, but we just watch, bro. Like literally we just play the waiting game, we watch and see what happens. And see, you know, price coming back up into the premium. We cancel, but there's no medium inducement. I'm not gonna force it, bro. Like literally, we have people watching, you know? People watching, bro. So I'm not gonna force a silly trade right now. Not gonna do that, bro. Not gonna be like a geezer. You get me? But yeah, like most traders are now coming on like to trade. It's now 8 a.m. So traders are now tuning in. I know that for sure. You know, so let's see. We might get some more volatility right now. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So before I go, just to top it off, I can't look to sell. Even if I'm gonna sell, I'll be looking for price to come to this supply. Realistically speaking, we might not get this mitigation during this New York session, bro. You get me? And then this one, how many more pips before we reach this supply? How many more pips? 20 pips. Yeah, of course. Yeah, we can get it in 20 pips, but let's see how it goes, you know? Not gonna force it. I'm gonna leave it at that. And yeah, yeah, bro, it's not 8 a.m., so I gotta go start cracking on it my day, bro. Go make some breakfast and go do what I gotta do. But with that being said, hope you lot found this one insightful, no trades taken. But yeah, I'll see you lot tomorrow at 7 a.m. Your boy JB. Peace.